Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
We've got Rajan, the dynamic man, the dynamo. What's up, brother?
What's going on, big man?
Here's what's going on, man. Right now, Rajan, whenever you and I get on the radio, you know that's power, right?
Definitely.
And if we add Scott Siski, you know that's even more power. You know that, right?
That's power plus fire.
And that fire can burn up all bills that homeowners have out there right now. So I think right now, before we get to 7 o'clock, before we get into the final hour, the final lap, I want you and I to make that appeal. Now, Rajan, you know how we are. You know, we don't force anyone or twist anyone's arm or put a gun to anyone's head to actually better themselves.
That's right.
No, we just give them the facts. We give them the education. So all homeowners right now, kids, if you're out there, call your parents, call your grandma. If you know their own properties, believe me, a lot of people are in trouble. They have financial problems. But you call them up, you call your friends, relatives, everybody, friend, family, foe, and tell them that there's help right now. And Rajan, the loan officer, is physically in the Bronx, and he wants to extend help to everyone. We're inviting you all to join us and be a part of what it is that we're doing in helping thousands of people to get a very low interest rate, eliminate their credit card bills. So, speaking of credit card bills, Rajan, before I give out the number, let's talk a little bit about credit card, man. Do you know that, and I'm sorry I'm using this analogy, or I'm not sorry. Credit card bills is like a noose around our neck. Wrong or right, sir?
Oh, that's very true.
No, credit card bills enslaves us. Is that true or false, sir?
Very, very true.
How can we help homeowners out there right now who have credit card bills? And you people hear us talking so much about this. Why is it so important for us to tell you to get rid of your credit card bills or for you to get rid of it? Why is it so important for you to get rid of the adjustable rate mortgage? Well, this man is a very powerful man. This man will talk with you as long as you need to be talked to get rid of all those bills. Rajan, the loan officer, physically in the studios right now. What can we do to help all these people, man, driving home and the people at home already are going to work?
Well, you know, Squeeze, you said it right there. What our goal is to annihilate your credit cards. Like you said earlier, it's a noose around our necks. And more of Americans, more and more of the listeners out there, we're all feeling it. We're feeling the fact that we've got to put more and more things on credit cards just because it's easier. You know why? Because we don't really necessarily feel it coming out of our pockets. So what we do is when we go to the restaurant or we go to buy groceries or anywhere we go, what do? We're starting to put it on the credit cards and say, okay, well, listen, you know what? I could put, a couple of $1,000s on my credit cards, and all I got to do is pay, maybe $150 or $200 a month. So it's a lot easier to budget that. And then what ends up happening is it starts to grow and grow and grow. And before you know it, you've racked up, on average, for most Americans, $10,000 in credit cards. So guess what? Now you're stuck in a situation where you're spending a lot of money on interest. And it's not worth it. It's not worth it to sit there and have to pay your mortgage and then pay your credit cards and waste money out of your pocket. When in this time, you should be looking to save every penny that you can. So we at First Republic continue to talk about annihilating credit cards, being able to refinance, take some of that equity that you've built up over the years and annihilate your credit cards. Pay them off and have one low interest rate.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.